Good morning, people! Iba yung setup natin today, guys. Like, itong room na to, maliit siya. Kagaya naman ng isa, maliit din yung isa. But yung isa, it was very well designed na, alam mo yun, parang okay pa rin. Ito okay pa rin naman. Wala namang problema. Nakaupo ako sa floor ngayon, doing my makeup. Kasi ito lang yung konting light namin, natural lighting namin. Yung maliit na, ito ba? Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon sa room tour. Ito lang. Yan. Nakapag-concealer na ako. Ito lang yung NARS na Radiant Creamy Concealer Shade Medium 2 Ginger. Nakapag-browse na din ako. Yung pimple ko, update sa ating pimple. Tingnan nyo. Lapit na mawala. Ito, flat na talaga siya. Parang, kailangan na lang mawala yung parang outer layer na scar. And okay na. Hayaan ko na siya, hindi ko na siya tatanggalin kasi baka magdugo na naman. Bahala na yan. Hindi ko na yan tatakpan ng concealer. Bahala na yan. Kasi ano na siya, flat na siya. At least hindi na siya bumpy. And I started using this yesterday as well. The Supin powder. Okay naman siya, guys. Okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya like sobrang puti sa mukha ko tingnan. And I started using that Can Make Lash Serum. Siguro mga 2 nights na. Okay naman. Mas madali siya i-apply kaysa sa Etude House. Kasi yung Etude House, ano siya, diba? Parang mascara na wand. Yung ganito, spoolie. Yun kasi ano siya eh, doe foot applicator. So, ang dali lang, ganun mo lang, ganun. Ito kasi kailangan pa ganun. Alis na tayo. Pagod na ako doon. Masaya, pero alam mo yun, nakakapagod kasi walang tigil eh. Kapag si Dan yung kasama mo, walang tigil. Dito yun. Lagi naming namimiss to kasi parang nagbe-blend in lang yung ano, yung elevator sa mga rooms. Kahapon dumiretso kami doon. Sabi naman, asa yung elevator? Pero yung palatandaan, itong may flower. Diba kita? Kapag kami nagbakasyon, grabe. Like, nakaano talaga yung itinerary na ito yung pupuntahan natin today. So, walang araw na nasasayang talaga. Which is good. Para makita mo talaga. Kasi diba, ang layo din naman ng binyahe mo. Might as well, like, kitain mo na lahat ng kailangan mong kitain or gusto mong kitain. Or gusto mong makita. Ano ba yung mga Tagalog ko eh? May pumasok kanina sa elevator na hiya ako. Ano ba yung sinasabi ko eh? Oh yeah, kaya nakakapagod. Pero okay lang, agay. Okay lang. So, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo na nakita namin ni Dan yung friend niya? And pupunta din sila, same yung ano nila, yung pupuntahan nila. So, Tokyo first, and then Kyoto, and then Osaka. So, nag-decide kami na dito kami magmi-meet sa Kyoto, or dito kami magdi-dinner. Kasi, gusto sana nilang mag-catch up doon sa Tokyo. Tapos, sobrang busy namin. Ano yung itinerary namin. Sabi ni Dan, if free namin yung isang dinner sa Kyoto, tapos sabay tayo mag-dinner. So, ngayon yun. Ngayong gabi yun. Dito na naman tayo sa mga vending machine natin, mga kaibigan. Nasa gilid-gilid lang. Maganda yung negosyo, ah. Magandang negosyo. Ang ganda ng location ng Starbucks nila, oh. Merong ano dyan, tubig. Ganda. Ang ganda dito. Very scenic. Order kami ng... Meron ako nakitang mango frap. Actually, sila nakakita. Mango passion tea frap. And then, what did you get for you? Caramel frap? Tingnan niyo yung view, guys. Sa labas. Ganda. Love you. Yan yung aking mango. That's yours, babe. Yum.
ベンティーサイズのキャラメルフラペチーノをお足しいたします。
ありがとうございます。
ランドサイズのマンゴーパッションティーフラペチーノをお足しいたします。
ありがとう。Thank
スト
you.
ロー後ろでお願いします。
Thank you. Caramel frap, mango. Dito kami kakain mamaya, guys. Nandun na si Dan, pumasok na. Magpapa-reserve kami para mamayang gabi. Yan. Pasok tayo. Ang ganda. Maliit na alley. Ang cute. And masarap to, guys. Yung mango siya with passion fruit tea. Sarap. Pabuksidan. Hello! So, kapag kumain ka dun, guys, tatanggalin mo yung shoes mo. Kasi baka hindi ako maka-vlog mamayang gabi. Ang cute. Ang ganda. Alright, let's go. Nakabook na kami. 8 o'clock kasi walang 7. Walang available sa 7. Yan, beef. Wagyu. Papunta kami guys sa temple. Wait, check lang kung ano pangalan ng temple. Kiyomizu Dera Temple. Sorry kung mali yung pag-pronounce ko. Pero pupunta kami dun. Taxi kami. Papunta dun. Malapit na tayo sa temple guys. May mga market na naman dito. You like that one? Dun sa kabila, may mga ganyan. Alam mo ba, hindi pa tayo nakapag milk tea dito. Hindi ko pa na-try yung milk tea dito. We should try the milk tea here, babe. Once.
Sure.
At least once.
Sure.
Hindi naman ako masyadong nag-crave ng milk tea kasi ang tamis. Pero, Japanese tea. Sugary from Uji, Tokyo. Tea. Hindi ko na-try yung royal milk tea kagabi. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako kagabi. Uy, natulog ako agad. Ganda nito guys. Gachupon ba? Tingnan nyo yung makukuha. Ang cute. Gusto ko tumanok. Geisha.
Let's have a shot.
Yeah, let's have a shot, babe.
Can we do it?
500. Sige, you do it, babe. First time namin to gawin. Ang dami namin
I need
nakikita
to
ganito.
get some 100 coins.
Yeah.
I'll go see
Exchange coins at the cash register. Go, my love. 500. 1,
them. Didn't work.
2.
Nah, didn't see that.
Hala, bakit? Ayaw niya.
Maybe.
Please turn the knob to the right slowly. Wait up, babe. To the right. Ako. Bakit ayaw? Ano ba yan? Sira yung ano guys, hindi namin nagawa yung ano, inopen lang ni ate, tapos kinuha niya yung 500. So open natin. Pinapili lang niya ako, inopen niya, tapos kumuha lang ako dun.
Can I show them the prizes? They seen them.
I did already. You ready? Anything we get will be good.
I'm happy with 3 of them.
You're happy with? Oh. Which one? The purple bag?
Let's see which one. Let's see which one you got. I'm happy with that one.
Temple. That's where we're going.
We're not going there today.
Oh, not today.
Tomorrow, that
Oh,
one.
what's this one then?
This one here.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Hey.
what's this one then?
That's a gold temple. That's a good one.
Oh, that's a good
I
one.
like that one.
Yay! You happy?
I'm happy.
That's good. All right, let's go. Libre. Good? Is it good? We're here. Grabe ka busy. Oh, pero yun yung sinasabi ni Dan. Yung sa likod, is it under renovation or is
It
it
is.
under construction?
Under renovation.
Renovation. Ang ganda. Ang cool siguro yung temple na yan. Pero ito, ang ganda nito. Gusto namin pumasok doon guys. So, bibili ng ticket kung gusto mong pumasok doon. Parang may view ata doon. Dito yung bilihan ng ticket. How much is it? I think, yeah, 400 per adult. Ang ganda ng ticket. Ang ganda ng quality ng ticket. Pag may siyang texture sa kanya, oh, I'll bring this home. So, yan. Papakita natin kay kuya. Pasok na tayo. Konnichiwa. Thank you.
So you get to keep the tickets?
Yan. Yeah. I like it. I'm gonna keep that as a souvenir.
Okay.
Ito daw dapat yung itsura guys kung hindi under renovation yun. So, makikita mo yung view ng labas. Ang ganda, diba? Yan. Ang ganda dito. Yung iba, pumapasok ng walang ticket. Nakakaawa tuloy sila kuya. Ang cute! Meron pa din namang lookout guys. Oh, meron pa rin. Ito yung under renovation right now. But yeah, looks good. So, suot ni Dan yung port tower niya kasi nanalo yung port kagabi. He's so happy. You happy, babe?
Yeah, it's a very cool place. Come here, my little, come here, my little lady.
Okay, babe.
Is that very nice, yeah?
It is really nice. You're right without sunnies? Oh, yeah.
I'm fine.
Thank you. Meron ding mga charm dito, guys, for good marriage. Yan. Find love. Pinipicturean to ni Dan. Send nyo kay Miss. More chance for love. Deepen relationship. This one. Bind your love tightly. Why are you laughing? Oh, Scorpio. That's me. That's me, babe. Scorpio.
I'm Leo. Lion.
Okay.
It's cute.
Oh, yeah, that's cute.
For easy deliveries.
Easy delivery. Yeah, we need to get pregnant first.
How we just do delivery?
Guys, may gagawin si Dan. Ito, this is the love stone, okay? This stone is called love fortune telling stone. If you walk safely from this stone to the other with your eyes closed, so to your loved one with your eyes closed for once, your wish will be granted soon. If you can't, it will be long before your love is realized. And it is said, taking advice requires you to have someone who'll help you achieve your love. Are you doing it? Alright. Don't take this seriously as well, baby. You can't just laugh at this. Please. Sige na.
You ready?
Yeah. Did you close your eyes?
Yes.
Hindi siya nag-wish kanina. Sige, make a wish properly.
Give me a clue.
I am here.
There you go.
Did you make a wish?
I did.
Good job. Pababa na kami, guys. Buti na lang pababa siya. Hindi siya ganun kahirap lakarin. At saka magtitingin-tingin ka din naman sa mga shops. So, hindi naman siya ganun nakakapagod. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Anong oras na? What time is it, babe? What time is it?
Almost 1:30 now.
No, almost 1:30 na. Do you want anything from here? What's that?
You gotta get some.
Fishbowl ba yan? Merong mga ano dito. Mga maliliit lang na pagkain. Na-try ko yan, yung yellow ba? Hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Parang jelly.
Can I get one?
Gusto i-try to ni Dan, guys. Dango. Ni-research ko siya. Sabi, ano din siya, para daw siyang mochi. So, sweet siya. Dun ay. Arigato. Try natin to. Thank you. Sweet? I'll try one. Muna tayo, guys. Kanina pa kami lakad ng lakad. Dito kami sa isang restaurant or cafe. Hindi ko na ba pangalan nito? Awoto? Awoto? Order tayo. Gusto ko itong beef. What order are you getting? Hello, one of these beef.
What drinks are you getting?
One.
Can I get a...
Cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese, so please choose one drink from here.
yeah, with beer.
Cheese with beer.
Beer.
What's that? Japanese soda?
It's some kind of Sprite.
Okay, I'll get that one.
That one. Next.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Here.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I think it's
Oh, yeah. Thank you. There's your hot dog, babe. Is it good?
It's okay. Have a bite. It'll do the job.
Yeah.
You like it?
Ano siya, guys? Beef na may rice na may egg. Kaya lang hindi masyadong luto yung white. So, itatabi natin to. Poached egg. Bumili lang si Dan doon nung ano naman niya, yung mochi na may strawberry. Eh, nakita ko to, guys. Tingnan nyo. I think limited edition to. Green tea na lululun and yung sakura. Babe, look at this mask. Limited edition, I think it is. The premium Lululun.
Well,
Yeah.
whatever you want.
This one, Lululun din. 1,620. Wait, what? 1,620 for 5. This one's 1,620. Tapos 7 sheets and then 5. So this one's like same price as that, but that one you only get 5. But this you get 7 times 5.
Do you?
7 times 5, pila?
35.
35. You get 35 masks here.
But like each packet's got a few in there, does it? Or?
Yeah, each pack has 7 sheets. 1,620. How much is 1,620?
20 bucks and a bit more.
Really? Is that worth 20 bucks?
If you want to get it.
Thank you, babe. I'm getting the green tea, guys. Dito kami sa street na to. So, dyan tayo nang galing. Dyan. Lakarin natin to. Sabi ni Dan, cool daw tong street na to eh.
Forget about
Stay on the left. Walang sumusunod. Yan. May pa-free tayo si ate. Tingnan natin kung ano. Thank you. That's really nice. Kanina pa namin to nakikita. Pickled cucumber on a stick. May mga ano, oh, pasampol. Yummers to. Yan, pickled cucumber. Kanina pa namin yun nakikita, guys. What's that one? What is it?
I know.
Ito guys ay 200 yen each. Ang ganda dito do. Very, what do you call this, babe? Very traditional? Right, babe? The
Is it?
ambience? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo nga to. Very makaluma ba? Pero, ang ganda pa rin. Ang ganda pa rin. Nasa end na kami ng street and ang ganda guys. I highly recommend na kung pumunta kayo ng Kyoto, i-check nyo yung street na yun. Ang init na guys. Nilagay ko na dito yung coat ko kasi ang init na. Buti na lang nag-sunscreen si Dan. Meron kaming sunscreen kanina. Nag-handout ng sample yung babae dun sa malapit sa temple. And yung sample na hinandout niya sunscreen. So ginamit ni Dan sa mukha niya. Hindi ako nag-sunscreen kasi naka-makeup na ako eh. Naglagay ako ng supin powder. I feel like it's good guys. It's really good actually. Kumusta naman yung mukha natin? Like, oily pa din siya ng konti. Pero hindi as in sobrang oily. See? Ganda yung powder na yun. Oh, babe, do you want barbecue, babe?
I'm okay. I'm pretty
Sure? Dumaan lang kami dun sa, what's that called? Basta naglakad-lakad lang kami, parang shrine. Tapos dito may mga kainan.
Here's a barbecue.
Oh, you've been looking for barbecue, babe? Look at this. Try natin to, parang perfecto sa mainit na panahon. Green tea, orange, pineapple. May Coke din. They have Coke. Green apple, grape. Where did you see mango? What do you want, babe?
I'm not really. If you want one, yeah.
Can I want one Coke, please? Thank you. Kasi pwede maglagay ng condensed milk ata yun. Ayan, cool. Wala, ang dami, babe. Look at this, my love. Ay. Ayan. Thank you. Arigato.
Thank you.
Wala naman. Uy. Yum. Bili kami dito ng fries, guys. 500 yen. Ganito ay malaki. Ang cute, ang haba. Thank you.
It's very hot. Be careful.
Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Arigato. Thank you. Yeah. Very light. Very light fries. Dito na tayo sa Gion. Gion?
Gion.
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 Ano daw to? What is it? What is this here, Balab?
The Geisha district.
Geisha District daw to dito, guys. So, lakad-lakad tayo dito. Guys. Naiwan ko kayo. Naiwan ko kayo. Kanina pa kami. Naglakad-lakad kami dito kanina. Naiwan ko kayo. Pinicturean ako ni Dan, tapos nilagay ko kayo sa bike. Nilagay ko kayo sa bike na may basket. Pagtapos niyang picturean, umalis agad kami. Ang layo na ng lakad namin. Ang layo na ng narating namin. Sabi ko, akin na yung camera, mag-vlog ako. Wala sa amin yung camera. Buti na lang. Glad you know directions, babe. Because if it was me, I would not have any idea how to go back. Gosh. I found you. Nandun pa din kayo. So lucky we're in Japan. Anyway, you guys are back. We're back together, people. Hindi ko na kayo iiwan. Hello. Mabait nila dito. Ilang minutes kaya yun? How many minutes were we gone? Long time, babe. Oh my gosh. Sabi ko, takbo. So, grabe ako nagko-complain ako kanina na pagod na ako. Pag nung nalaman ko na naiwan ko yung camera, wala eh. Bilis ko maglakad eh. May geisha sa ano guys, sa kabilang dulo.
Well, it's for Geisha wrestling.
I know.
That's alright. She'll be so used to it.
Yeah. Konnichiwa.
I wanted to see one.
Sobrang,
Happy.
yeah. You happy?
Yeah.
Gusto niya makakita ng geisha. Ayun, nakakita na tayo. Kahapon nakakita tayo, di ba? Nung nasa taxi tayo. Ay, may camera na ako, babe. My camera is back, my love.
Yeah,
Dito kami, naglakad kami dito kanina. Malayo na kami yung narating. Malayo na yung narating namin. Do you wanna give them a fun fact about geisha, my love?
You Google it. You tell them.
Ginugol ko siya
What's a
kasi
geisha? Tell me what a geisha is.
kahapon, sabi ko, bakit ano ba to sila? Tapos sabi nila, hindi niya din talaga alam kung ano sila exactly. Ginugol ko siya, ano sila guys? Entertainer sila. They do dancing, singing, and like, mga arts, basta. And alam nyo ba, yung pag-aaral nila para maging geisha, kasing haba ng pag-aaral para maging doktor dito sa Japan. Yun yung sinabi ni Google ha, na it takes them up to 6 years to study para maging professional geisha sila. Nakaka-amaze. They must be really good at what they do. Kasi imagine, 6 years nilang pinag-aaralan yun. We are back. Ang galing nitong ano na to, elevator na to. Kasi pag ganyan mo, automatic siya. Magsiselect ng floor. Uwi muna kami ng hotel kasi may dinner pa kami mamayang gabi. And kasi meron kaming ilang oras. How many hours do we have left?
3.5 until mid.
3.5? Mag-edit ako, guys. Alright, we're back sa hotel, guys. Nagpalit lang ako ng ano nila, pajama nila. Gusto ko yung mga hotels dito. Kasi instead of robe, bathrobe, pajama yung meron sila. Which is really good. Kasi mas gusto kong pajama pantulog kaysa robe. Nagdala ako ng mga pajama pero hindi ko nagamit kasi yung unang hotel, pajama, tas ito pajama din. So yeah, galing. Anyway, edit lang tayo. Let's do it!